Hey guys, it's Chris. And listen to the song called Miss You from Oliver Tree. Yeah, I forgot who's that other guy's name. But yeah, this song is so lit, guys. Especially listening to it in my car. Yep, here we go. So catchy, man. I love it. The song is fire. Hey, it's just me or these are flickering? The heck? What the heck? First time seeing it, guys, with the song, man. Man, this song is great, man. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Great beat, man, in my car. See you guys, peace out. Thank you guys for watching.